Stocks are taking a hit. Global equity markets are facing downward pressure this morning as the escalating cross-border fiscal policy and trade tensions are creating uncertainty, and markets, as we all know, dislike uncertainty. As I speak to you right now, all of these figures, by the way, are off the lows. Russell is down 1.26%, NASDAQ down 1.22%. The S&P is down 1.07% and the Dow is down 76%. Also, China's Caixin manufacturing PMI data came in weaker than expected, but still slightly in expansion territory at 50.1. Conversely, the small to medium-sized business manufacturing PMIs in Germany, the Eurozone, the UK, and the US all came in slightly higher than expected, with the US figure being the only one in expansion territory. Eurozone CPI figures came in stronger than expected. That's not good, but the US manufacturing figures from the ISM were stronger across the board than expectations. We've got yields a little bit lower, with the bulk of it coming in the 30-year at 475 down 8, 10 years at 452 down 6, 5-year 434 down 2, and the 2 years actually at 424. That's up 2 from Friday's close. We're getting a small flight to safety, which is why we're seeing yields drop in the treasury side. And the US dollar is higher against all the majors except the yen, which is also a flight to safety currency. Gold and silver are both higher. Copper is lower on the same trade tensions I talked about, and crude oil is higher based off of the same theme. JOLTS jobs opening data is expected weaker tomorrow morning, along with the quits rate, which is also expected to be weaker. So we'll be keeping an eye on that tomorrow. Looking ahead, earnings today after the closing bell, 20 companies with market caps over $1 billion, including Palantir, NXP Semiconductor, that'll be a big one, Clorox, and New Market Corp. Tomorrow before the open, another 50 companies with $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Merck, Pfizer, Regeneron, PepsiCo, Spotify, and Marathon Petroleum. Later today, we get a speech from Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostiic. And then tomorrow, another one from Bostiic, as well as a speech by San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly. Data tonight, a Japanese 10-year JGB auction, and then tomorrow, factory orders and JOLTS job figures in the U.S.